Hiya, my name's David. I'm the Wandering Ponderer, and I'm back at Markshall. I'm on my way to see the walled garden, among many things. Well, I've made it. Garden's open, and we'll have a little look round and see. Kids are obviously having a great time. Obviously people over there walking. Beautiful trees. Look at that one. Like it's holding pom-poms. In fact, there's quite a few trees look like they're all holding pom-poms. Beautiful. If you're an artist and you're into watercolours, this would be a place to come throughout the year, just to get different views and to test your skills. You've got the wildlife, you've got beautiful trees, and also the way the light catches the water. All sparkly. That's wonderful. This is the walled garden. Well, the secret's out about the air raid shelters, and they're making sure the keep out signs are in there. In actual fact, this is one we didn't really get into. That looks like it's flooded, doesn't it? Have a look in there. See if we can see anything at all. No, it's not flooded. This one. I'll have a little look up here towards the wildwood, see what's happening. There's Gondwana land up there. It's where the trolls are. Right, we'll have a walk through the wildwood. I'm over near the Screaming Oak. Screaming Oak. And we've looked at this shelter before, but we haven't ever gotten past all the undergrowth here. And this is that shelter, and there are more than likely bats in there. So, because there are bats in this tree, there's likely to be bats in that shelter. So we'll leave that. I can tick that off as having actually been up to the door, the entrance, but you can see where it all goes, the extent of it. And of course the wood box is on the other side there. Box on the back. This tells us that, and if you look at the face on the tree, you can see there will be bats in there, so we won't. There'll be bats in that tree, and there will be bats in this air raid shelter. Now, there is the box on the end of it. Little bits of history at Markshall. It's getting colder and colder now. So if you like the video, give us a thumbs up, Subscribe on YouTube if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe.